Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
First, confirm your Windows version is Windows 10 2004 or later, or Windows 11. Enable virtualization in your PC BIOS so the hypervisor runs properly. Allocate at least 8 GB RAM for comfortable Kali usage and ensure sufficient disk space. Open PowerShell as administrator to enable WSL features and the virtual machine platform. Set WSL2 as the default backend to get full compatibility and improved performance for Kali Linux. Open an elevated PowerShell window and run the command WSL install dkali Linux to install Kali directly. If installation uses WSL1, convert it by running WSL set version Kali Linux 2 for WSL2 compatibility. Launch Kali once from the Start menu to complete initial setup and create a non-root user account. Inside Kali, update packages immediately by running apt update and apt upgrade y to ensure you have the latest security fixes. Start Kali with the command WSL dkali Linux or configure a Windows terminal profile for quicker access. To back up your entire distribution, run WSL export Kali Linux Kali backup. Tar and store the file on external media. For graphical applications, use WSLG on Windows 11 or install VCXSRV on Windows 10, then export display to the X server. Keep files in the WSL file system /WSL$ Kali Linux for speed, and avoid
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.